Hello, this is Asher from Digital Tech Network, and today I'm going to be talking about OS X Basics. We're going to start off with the desktop. Okay, so on the desktop, when you first log in, boom, it hits you. There is the OS X Mountain Lion desktop. There's the dock down the bottom. Yours will probably be different to mine because I've customized mine a little bit. And then you've got the items at the top, which is just like Windows. The little icons to the right hand side on the taskbar, telling you stuff. And then you've got Finder, which shows all about what you can do. These are basically the menus. And then you've got your Apple logo, which is kind of like the start menu, except it doesn't have programs in it. The programs are located in Finder, which I'll show you in 1 second. It's got About This Mac, Software Update, App Store, System Preferences, Dock, which you can change the dock position, magnification, all your recent items, Force Quit, which is basically Task Manager, Sleep, Restart, Shutdown, and Logout. So that's the Apple menu. Now, if you're wondering, well, where are my applications? Well, they're all in here. You go to Finder and then go to Applications. And these are all your applications. You probably won't have some of the applications that I have, but that's because I've downloaded a few from the App Store or on the internet. But just the basic, Safari, which is like your web browser, you should know all this. And yeah. And next, you've got Desktop, which is on your desktop, obviously. Documents, which, are pretty self-explanatory. Downloads, which you can also find the dock right here, which is a stack, which displays all your files, and I think it looks quite nice. Your music, which will have iPod and iTunes. Oh, probably not iPod. It'll have iTunes from iTunes in here. Movies, your pictures, and your hard drives, which I've got Boot Camp, which is installing Windows on a Mac. So down here you got the dock. This is basically like a quick launch on Windows. You got Finder, your browsers. You basically just shortcuts to everything. You can put anything you want in here, as long as it's launchable like an application or something. And installing software is very simple. I'll show you. Let's just go to Skype. It's a DMG, which is basically just like installing. It's just like a little hard drive that it puts on you. That's hard to explain. But then this is how you install, so you don't have to go through all the process, like where to install it, and then it makes a bunch of files. This Skype, for example, has everything in the application, so there's no more folders or anything. It's just the applications folder, and you simply drag it in. But I'm not going to do that because I've already got it in there. And it's way simpler, which means the downloads are a little bit bigger sometimes, but, that's to be expected.